If you want glowing and radiant skin while deeply cleansing impurities, you should try Skintific Niacinamide Bright Boost Clay Stick. The first thing I love about this product is super dali niya lang gamitin. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya na-open. Pero I have one. It's also from Skintific, my favorite. Kasi super nakaka-glow talaga siya ng skin, guys. And nami-minimize na yung pores mo. Look at that. Look kung paano siya kadali gamitin, guys. For best result, guys, gamitin niyo siya 2 to 3 times a week. Leave it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes bago niyo siya hugasan with warm water. So, mag-wait lang tayo ng 10 minutes then I'll be back. Just compare the before kasi super oily ko kanina. And this is after. Look guys, mag-wait yung face ko. By the way, never mind this kasi pimple mark lang yan at hindi siya pimples. And look how it minimized my pores then. You should buy this one, guys. You should try it yourself. Yun lang, guys. Bye!